Hey everyone, today we're diving deep into TEMU, the online marketplace that's been making waves for offering super low prices on everything from electronics to fashion. But is it really the best value for your money? Let's find out. First of all, what is TEMU? For those of you who haven't heard of TEMU, it's a global marketplace offering a wide variety of products at incredibly low prices, often up to 80% cheaper than other retail stores. They sell everything from gadgets and home goods to beauty products and clothing. But the real question is, how good is the quality for that price? Next, the pros of shopping on TEMU. Let's break down the positive of shopping on TEMU: affordable prices, wide product selection, and regular deals and promotions. You can find it at the top right here, right? And free shipping. Many items come with free shipping, which makes it even more enticing. Okay, but the downside of shopping on TEMU: quality control. Since many products are from international suppliers, the quality can vary, and long shipping times, return and customer service issues, and the limited reviews and reliability. Unlike Amazon or other established retailers, you might find fewer user reviews, which makes it harder to gauge the quality or reliability of that product, for example, before buying. Okay? But is TEMU really worth it? So, is TEMU really worth it? It really depends on what you're looking for. If you're hunting for budget-friendly items and willing to take a bit of risk on quality or delivery time, TEMU can be a great option. It's also a good choice for finding unique or hard to find products. However, if you're after higher end quality or faster delivery, you might want to consider other platforms like Amazon or Walmart. So, overall, TEMU definitely offers great value for those who prioritize price over premium quality or fast shipping. It's a solid choice for casual shoppers. Can be prepared for some potential drawbacks along the way. And have you tried TEMU yet? Let me know your experience in the comments below. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.